In the previous video, we have learned the basic formula of allegations and mixture with some examples. Let us see the format again. The cheaper value is mixed with the dearer quantity to get the mixed quantity, right? So, the cheaper quantity rate will be the dearer quantity minus the mixture quantity, and the dearer quantity value will be the mixture quantity minus the cheaper quantity. This is the general format we will be using to solve the allegations and mixture. In this video, we are going to solve some more different type of problems by applying the same formula. Let us see the first question. The average weight of boys in a class is 30 kg and the average weight of girls in the same class is 20 kg. The average weight of the whole class is 23.25 kg. What could be the possible strength of boys and girls respectively in the same class? This question is also of allegations and mixtures type. So consider boys and girls on two different sides. Boys average weight on one side, girls average weight on the other side. The whole class average weight will be your mixture weight. Okay, 23.25. Next, we will be subtracting this value. So 23.25 minus 20, which will be 3.25. Don't get confused with the format and this one, because I just wrote the values of boys and girls, so it got interchanged. So don't get afraid of it. So 30 minus 23.25 will be 6.75. When we cancel this value, which is 325 is to 675, in order to remove the decimal, I multiplied with 100. First I am cancelling it with 5 table, which will be 65 times. This will be 135 times. Again I am cancelling with 5 table, which is 13 times. This will be 27 times. So this is the ratio of boys and girls, 13 is to 27. So the number of boys and girls in the class would be 13 and 27 respectively. So even the multiples can also be given in the option, so kindly check it. We'll move to the next question. The cost of type 1 rice is rupees 15 per kilogram and type 2 rice is rupees 20 per kilogram. If both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the ratio 2:3, then the price per kilogram of the mixed variety of rices. In this question, they have given the cheaper quantity rate and the dearer quantity rate. They didn't give you this value, instead they have given the ratio. So we have to find the value m. So this is very simple, just apply it in the formula, which is 15 the cheaper quantity rate, 20 will be the dearer quantity rate. So medium quantity they didn't give, that will be m. So and also they have given the ratio, which is 2:3, right? So in order to get this ratio, what we will be doing actually, the dearer quantity minus m, which is 20 minus m. The ratio of this will be the medium quantity, that is mixture quantity, minus the cheaper quantity. So this is equal to this value. By equating this two, we'll get the value of m. 20 minus m divided by m minus 15 equal to 2/3, just by multiplying it together. So 20 into 3 will be 60. 3 into m is equal to 3m. 2m minus 30, just by multiplying. So m on the one side, the numbers on the other side. This 3m will go that side, means which will be 5m. This minus 30, if it comes, this will be a plus sign. So 60 plus 30 will be 90. So m equal to 90 by 5, which is 18 rupees. Yes, so your answer 18 rupees. So please understand, this will be a cheaper quantity, this will be a dearer quantity. Whatever we find or whatever the value given, it will be a mean price of these two values. So your answer will be 18. So it will not exceed 20 rupees. We'll move to the next question. A merchant has 1000 kilogram of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and the rest at 18% profit. He gains 14% on the whole. The quantity sold at 18% profit is. So one side it is 8%, the other side it is 18%. So on the whole, the center will be 14%. Just find the ratio of it. So 18 minus 14 will give us 4%. 14 minus 8 will gives us 6 percentage. So percentage and percentage will get cancelled. The ratio will be 2:3. My question, the quantity sold at 18 percentage profit. 18% for 18 percentage profit, we have to find the 3 parts. So 3 parts out of the total will be 2 plus 3, which is 5 parts in 1000 kilogram sugar. So into 1000. So which will be 3 into 200. So your answer will be 600 kilogram. This is the quantity which the quantity sold at 18 percentage profit. If they ask you to find the 8 percentage profit, it will be 2 by 5 into 1000. Okay, we'll move to the next question. In what ratio must two kinds of sugar at rupees 1.15 and rupees 1.24 per kilogram be mixed so that by selling at rupees 1.50 per kilogram, 25% may be gained? So, when I'm selling the sugar for 1.50 per kilogram, my gain percentage will be 25, which means that they have given the selling price of the mixture. So always I will write the mixture rate in terms of cost price. So I cannot write the selling price as a mixture price. So I have to find the cost price of the mixture. Hope you know the basic concept in profit and loss. If it is a profit, I will be adding with 100%. The 100% is nothing but our cost price. So 125% 1.50 means what is 100%. So this is how we will be calculating. So from this value, this got decreased. My value which I am going to find will also get decreased. By cross multiplying also we can find the answer. Another easiest method is, hope you all know, which is 25% gain is given, which is 1 by 4 increase. For every 1 by 4 increase, there will be 1 by 5 decrease. This is percentage increase decrease formula. For every 1 by n increase, there will be 1 by n plus 1 decrease. So 1 by 5 of 1.50 will be calculated. That value will get subtracted from 1.50, which also will gives us the cost price. Either you can find the cost price of the mixture by this formula or by this method. Both will give the same value, 1.20. So the value which the mixture will be bought will be 1.20. As I said earlier, this is the cheaper rate, this will be the dearer rate. This value will be the between of these two values, but in the question it is 1.50, which exceeds the dearer value. So don't write as such, we have to convert it. So just find the ratio as always, which will be 0.04. This will be 0.05, which is 4:5. This is how the two kinds of sugar will get mixed. So your answer will be 4:5. Hope you understand the different types. Thank you.